Here's what you need to know about place value to help your kid with their math homework.
Let's start talking about money because it has a physical component that we can relate it to. So here we have the number 243, but it's made up of three digits, the 2, the 4, and the 3. And where they are in the number has an impact on what it means. Because the digit 2 is in the hundreds place, I know that this 2 has a value of 200s. The digit 4 is in the tens place, so it has a value of 40. And finally, the digit 3 is in the ones place, and so it has a value of 3. And so this idea leads to the expanded form of a number. The expanded form is an addition problem that shows the value of each digit. And then the number name is just how you would read this number, 243. As our numbers get bigger, we introduce a few new ideas to help us stay organized. Starting at the ones place, every 3 numbers, we put a comma. This separates our number into periods, and each of those has a name. The first 3 numbers are our ones period. Moving to the left, our next 3 are the thousands. And moving to the left, the next 3 are the millions. So if you keep this in mind, it's going to help us when we write our number name. But let's start with the expanded form. Our first digit is a 2, and that's in the millions place. So this is worth 2 million. Now if you look just at the thousands period, you see we have the number 527. So that's 527,000. So that first digit is in the hundred thousands. So it's a 5, and you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits after that. So we replace them with 5 zeros. This is in the 10,000s spot, so we have 20,000. And then in the thousands, and of course I'm out of space, so I'll write below our ones period, so that's 600s. Now because there's a 0 in our tens place, we don't need to record that 0, so we'll skip over to the final 1, and that's our number in expanded form. Now if you're having trouble with the number name, remember just focus on which period it is. Take 3 digits at a time. So our first period is the millions, and we only have 2 there. Now here's another hint for you. Anywhere that the number has a comma, put that comma into the number name as well. Next we have our thousands period, and how many are in there? 527. We've reached a comma, so let's put a comma in the number name. And then take a look at that last period, 601.
Now, if you found this useful, don't forget to follow for more math help throughout the year.